This is Rebecca, and in this video, I'll be showcasing the Digital Thinker team's favorite enhancements released in version 12.3. From streamlined usability improvements to powerful new configuration capabilities, I'll walk through the enhancements that make the biggest impact for both administrators and end users. Let's start by talking about the Create Upload Document pop-up. This pop-up is available on many screens in EAM and can now be updated via Screen Designer. You'll need to access Screen Designer on the Documents screen, and you will see a new tab available from the More dropdown to modify the screen layout for the Create Upload Document pop-up. You could consider hiding fields to avoid confusion amongst users or making fields not available. You can set default values. And even protect fields for certain user groups. So now if I were to access the Create Upload Document pop-up, the field that I made not available is no longer displayed. I have a default value for my expiration date, and the print with report is protected. Next, you now have the ability to enable the AI chat, also referred to as Alex, per user. The AI chat OP install parameter must still be enabled, but then you can specify which users can access Alex via the Allow AI checkbox on the user setup screen. Another enhancement related to users is EAM now allows for updating the digital work app for a user group from fieldwork to advanced mobile. Doing so will update the digital work app for the associated users. Also, I am happy to report that an approval workflow can be activated upon insert of a record. For example, you could set up a workflow upon insert of a work request or the creation of a new asset. Another enhancement that is a favorite among the Digital Thinker team is the ability to update equipment hierarchy using the right-click Update Field option available in List View. I can select multiple records, right-click, and update perhaps the parent asset or the primary system. You may have also noticed a new icon in the toolbar. This feature allows a user to copy a link, also referred to as a drillback URL, to the selected record. Perhaps there is an urgent work request or purchase order that needs approval. You can now simply copy the drillback URL to that specific record and share it by chat or email. And finally, one of my favorite enhancements in the 12.3 release. It may seem minor, but I am thrilled about the new SVC def install parameter. This setting determines the placement of your cursor when opening a screen in split view. Have you ever navigated to, say, the parts screen and started searching for a part only to realize that you're updating the description of the part? Simply set the install parameter to search, and the cursor will be placed in the search field rather than the first editable field. That wraps up our look at the 12.3 enhancements we're most excited about. Feel free to comment below of what you're excited to see in 12.3. We hope these updates make your daily operations smoother and more efficient. And please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Thank you.